How to buy beef token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 17 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I would use the Bitget wallet for that. Now, select the BNB chain as a network. Click on the plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive of that token, as you can see, and here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy beef token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.